Hey guys, I'm back again, Flight Coach Drizzy, coming to you live from Los Angeles. And this video is very important to me because I'm going to show you why I love Los Angeles so much. So, the first time that I visited LA was in January of last year, and I came down to visit some friends, and that was the moment that I fell in love. The great thing about my friends is I have a lot of artists as friends.
There's fashion designers,
Yes.
interior architects, dancers, choreographers.
Here's a French kick. I dismiss all you chicks, bit snitch from the 4th, make it dance. Ow! I stay focused in the dopest, like a penny with the hole in it. Y'all just
And even a creative director. You name it, and we got it.
And I always feel inspired when I'm in that energy. Los Angeles is a city where the weather is constantly beautiful. I live in Boston, and it gets really cold there. So sometimes in the wintertime I travel here to be warm, to spend time with my friends, and to enjoy this beautiful weather. Just a few days ago, me and a few of my friends went ice skating in LA in 70 degrees. Now I've been ice skating before, in Boston, in 1 degree. When you fall in 1 degree, it's not the best situation. Here in LA, when you're skating in 70 degrees, it's the most amazing experience ever.
Skating in LA. Oh, you're not even skating. Yes, sir. Look, everybody, look, I'm moving. Like they can't see your feet.
Moving and grooving.
I kind of
Moving and grooving.
see. They try to play me. Ice skating.
Ice skating in warm weather.
In warm weather.
Just yesterday, I went to a Project Runway premiere party for the newest All-Star season. There, I was able to meet designers, stylists, and photographers.
Right now, I am at a fashion gallery. It's pretty cool. There's items everywhere, and there's a whole bunch of LA people networking, for those of you who travel to LA. So much going on, so much going on. They just so cool. Moshi!
Another thing about LA is most people move here to pursue dreams. So wherever you go, there's so many local artists, all kinds of artists. I remember one day, I was walking down the street with my friend Sanji, we were going to CVS, and we just happened to meet a guy who was a photographer, and we had a crazy photo shoot in the middle of downtown LA. There's not many places that you can go and something like that happen.
LA is so dope that we can just walk to the store and turn around and have like a perfect scene for a photo shoot and then just kill it. Like, that's how dope LA is. And that's why I love this place. You just walk outside and there's so much talent and opportunity and then amazing people.
So, my dad is a chef. I grew up on food, I'm a foodie, and it's what I love. Smorgasburg is a festival in downtown LA. It's a whole bunch of food trucks in a field, and you just can try any food from any truck. There's so many options, and it's amazing, from desserts.
You gotta get his real personality.
I absolutely love Smorgasburg. The Sunday after my birthday, I planned for all my friends to meet there. Unfortunately, it was closed. So I ended up grabbing some Brazilian food with a few of my friends. Unbeknownst to me, to my surprise, a few of my friends were at home planning me a surprise party.
And ladies and gentlemen, that is why I love LA. So if you guys have any questions about places to go, things to do, don't be afraid to comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. subscribe, and share. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate the support. I'll be back in 2 weeks for another episode of Life Coach Drizzy.